welcome to my channel. So, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming through to my channel. And if you're one of them oldies, hi. How you doing? Okay, firstly, I need to explain why I'm looking like this. I'm looking like this because I was shooting another thing, so I was like, let me just use this makeup for that not about to change this and then do another makeup and then babes, that's a lot of work. That's makeup going anyway in the first print. So I'm sorry, I'm by the window. Please mind whatever noise you're hearing outside because so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this new segment that I introduced, which is watch me make. You're gonna see me doing a two-piece set of like shorts and a one sleeve one sleeve. Yeah, y'all see. Okay. You know what? I'll just include the picture, which is right here. And this is what inspired me. Someone actually sent it to me, and they were like, "Can't you do it?" I was like, and then I was like, "Let me try it out." So here is a video of me actually trying to make it all. Attempting to make it, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get right into the video. So firstly, we're gonna start off with I just took a shirt that I liked the fit of, and I folded it into like a one hand situation there, and I'm just literally cutting it out around it with seam allowance as well. And now you're just gonna see me dividing out the fabric because I cut it on fold, saves time. So that's literally what I'm doing now. And then after that, I'm just gonna pin the areas in which I will need to sew on. As you can see, it's the sides and the top part of the shoulder. Okay, so now moving on to the front part of the shorts, I'm just going to pin a template that I traced out, which I used my measurements on it, and I'm just going to cut around, and then when I get to the hip part, I don't go inside according to my waist area measurement, but I actually go with the hips measurement upwards so that I can actually put on the shorts. So that's literally what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut it around and with added space at the bottom for the fold in of the shorts, and then you're done. We're literally going to do like something similar to the back piece as well. Remember to cut all these pieces on fold. That way you have two of everything all at once. So I'm just going to cut around the back piece, and that's it. So now I'm just going to measure the length of my arm thing to 23 inches, and that's what I'm gonna work around. And then I'm gonna take the shirt that I cut off earlier and use its armhole to trace out the armhole of the arm piece whatever thing, and then after that I'm just literally gonna eyeball how I would want it to look. So you're just gonna see me tracing it down with the ruler, and that's it. after that, you're literally just gonna cut it out with seam allowance. Don't forget seam allowance. You know, you will never go wrong, believe you me. So literally just cut around the seam allowance and then you're done. Now you all have the pieces, and then you're supposed to have 2 pieces of the top and then 2 pieces of the front piece of the shorts, and then 2 pieces of the back of the shorts, and then the arm sleeve yes, arm sleeve, and then 4 elastics, 2 for the 2 thick ones is for the pants and the top, and then the smaller ones for the rest of the top. So the next, I'm just going to show you where you need to sew all the pieces. Just showing you for the pants, the sleeve, and everything else. So now we're gonna work on the shorts. We're gonna put the pieces together and then sew on the crotch area and also on the sides of the legs as well. Okay, I decided to add a waistband after I've sewed everything up. So I'm just gonna literally cut out a rectangle that's long enough for my waist, and then I'm gonna sew it closed. And then after that, I'm literally gonna put it on the waist part of my shorts with the right sides kissing, and then I'm gonna sew it around it. Once you've done that, you're just gonna fold the waist inside of the pants, and then you're gonna create like a tube thing where you're gonna put through the elastics. So just sew it around and literally leave a space where you can put your elastic through and shove it around. And then after that, you're just gonna see me shove this elastic through the waist area. So I'm using like hairpin. It's mostly the easiest at this point because I don't have a loop turner yet, but we'll get there. When you get to the last part of the elastic, you're literally gonna close it, like you're gonna join it together and then sew across that area to close it up. Oh, and also you're gonna hem the bottom of the shorts. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut off the excess fabric, which was by the bottom side, the bottom area, which I just hemmed right now. So I'm just literally just cutting off that excess area, that excess fabric. Okay, now we're gonna work on the shirt. So we're just gonna turn over the sleeve and then put it inside the top area, the armhole. So the top is inside out, and then the sleeve is outside in. The sleeve is the opposite of the top. And then you're just gonna pin it around the armhole of it, and then literally just sew around, and then you're done attaching the top together. So next I'm just gonna create the tube for the elastic at the wrist, and then the bottom of like the I would say the hips ish of the shirt, and then also at the bust, the top bust area as well. So I'm just gonna create tubes for that, and then also after that I'm just gonna insert the elastics and then sew it up, and then we're done. So here's a finished product, the top and the bottoms, and I hope you guys like the way it looks on me.